Hey everybody, this is Pam and this is This Week in Sonoma. First, we have the Transcendence Theater Holiday Drive-In. Wait, didn't I just talk about this? It's gonna be great. Get your tickets now at bestnighthever.org. Next, it's finally December, guys. You know what that means. No. I'm talking about the holiday shopping guide. COVID's got us all in the struggle bus. Be sure to support local businesses. Do you miss your bartender? I miss my bartender. We have the perfect gift for you, artisanal cocktail kit from Taub Family Outpost. And while you're there, be sure to pick up some wine for your Friday night. Do you have a dad, brother, uncle that wear shirts like this? Then this is a perfect gift for you, California t-shirts at the Barracks. Best of all, they're made locally. Chateau Sonoma signature candle. Ooh, I love candles. Let's see, gorgeous antiques and home decor to special gifts, known as well for their signature scent, a lovely part of the shopping experience at the Chateau. They decided to share their own fragrance in this beautiful candle. Anyways, sorry guys, Chateau Sonoma signature candles. Is your tree looking a little bare? Get you some handmade holiday ornament from the Sonoma Valley Visitors Bureau. Who needs an elf on the shelf? Get yourself a holiday gnome. Are your hands a little chilly? Up your cold weather style with some leather gloves. From Large Leather, they're located right at the plaza. Ooh, socks on the square. Do you wear socks? I wear socks. I'm wearing socks right now. Anyways, you should get some from Socks on the Square. Where are they at? They're on the square. Where's my sweet tooth at? Wait, teeth? Next time you're at Tiddlywinks, be sure to pick up some gifts like this hat. Anyways, that's it for the holiday guide. What's next? Ooh, brunch alert. Have you checked out Valley Bar and Bottle at Sonoma Plaza? Great, I'm hungry now. Thanks, guys. At least I know where to go. Valley Bar and Bottle at the plaza. Plus, dog and kid friendly. And lastly, of course, we're gonna give you hotel deals. Check out this holiday special from the Fairmont. Rooms from $199, late checkout, plus 20% off at the Sonoma store. Don't miss out on this deal, available now till January 7th. Okay guys, that wraps it up. Be sure to check us out at sonomavalley.com for the best deals and more. So tune in next time to This Week in Sonoma. This is Pam signing off.